Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In my previous video, I have unboxed a sketchbook that I bought from Amazon. In today's video, I am going to review Brustro A5 sketchbook. I have tried watercolor painting, pencil drawing, and now I can clearly tell you how good is this sketchbook for you as a beginner. Before going further, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now. Also, if you have not watched my previous unboxing video, here is the link in the description box below. Now let us talk about the sketchbook. So here is the sketchbook. This is Brustro A5 sketchbook. Book have black hardcover with wire bound. Looks good. We can carry it wherever we go. This sketchbook have 116 pages, 160 GSM. I bought this in around 297 rupees, which is quite worth buying, quite cheap, not too expensive. So I would like to show you some of my drawings which I have tried in this sketchbook. First, I have tried pencil drawing, quite good. The paper is smooth, have natural grain. The only problem is it smudges little bit, but if you want a sketchbook to practice and keep your drawing safe, you can definitely buy this. Here it is. The second drawing is also a pencil drawing. It's quite good. The paper itself is smooth, but still we can draw it. We can blend it nicely. I have also tried watercolor painting. This paper absorbs water, but we cannot add lot of layers in it. So I didn't find any problem painting in this paper, honestly. The next painting is this one. Yeah, it comes out really good. You can see this. I have uploaded a video. You can go and watch this video. We can also use pen, charcoal and pastel colors in this sketchbook. If you want to buy this sketchbook, I have given the link below. Click on the link to buy. Stay tuned to watch more videos in my channel. Do like this video, do subscribe, comment and share, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my video. Thank you so much for watching.